Hello, welcome back. In this module of Windows 11 tutorial, I'm going to explain you some of the features of Windows File Explorer or Windows File Management. The concept of some of these settings may be very basic for some of you, but they are very keen to understanding how Windows File Explorer work in the work environment. So to open File Explorer, here in the task bar you can see this File Explorer. Just click on it to open it. After that you can see this File Explorer interface. You can see different options here. In this section you can see quick access and toolbars, all the options that they are pinned in the quick access. In the left side you can see this navigation bar. Here you can see desktop, home sections, and there's PC section and network sections. So at the top you can see these options like cut option, paste, copy, paste, and other options like view options, filters, and recycle bins options. And another option is this more options. You can see at this right section you can see this preview panel. You can see and there is a special this option gives more information about a specific folder or specific apps. So here if you see here in this other options are still right now they are unactivated. So if you see in the view option you can see this tiles option, this display our these applications as a tiles like this. If you select this content, so you can see they are like content right now, and we just want to select these tiles back. In this details panel, if we select this, you can see a detail option here about our image or about a file. Our explanation will appear here like this. If we select this video, you can see specific information about our video section appears here. If we select this preview panel, you can see that in the picture will appear here. Suppose if I go to the picture section here and I select this picture, you can see that the picture will appear here. And if I select this preview panel, if I select this details panel, you can see the picture and some details will appear below our picture. So another option in the this view section, there we have show. If I click this navigation panel, right now it's selected. If I unselect this navigation panel, you can see here will disappear like this. So I select it again and you can see this navigation panel and this compact view. You can see right now our this name of this files. You can see they have a specific space between each other. If I select compact view, so that was compact view. So right now you can see there is a space between them right now. If I select compact view, you can see that they are closer to each other. Now they are closer to each other, and now they are far from each other. They have little space among each other. So I select compact view. After that, this we have item checkboxes. If I select this item checkboxes, right now we can have these checkboxes beside our images or beside our files or beside our applications like this. We can select all of them the same time, like this. So I unselect this checkbox from here. Now the checkbox disappeared from our files or our applications. And another option is this file name extension. Suppose if I go here in this document, you can see my documents. If I open this university books right now, if I make it a little bigger, right now you can see here this is PDF. If I select this file name extension, right now it's selected. If I unselect this, now you can see that this extension is disappeared from our files. So this shows our extension of our files like this. Now it is appeared again back. So after that, if you see here back, so there is another option, this hide hidden items. So I'll explain you later. So right now let's go here in this filter option. In this filter option, if we select these files, so our file will be selected according to its types. Suppose if I select Word, all the Word file will be shown here. If I select Excel, all the Excel files will be shown. Images, videos, and PDF like this. So right now it's selected all types. So I'll select all types right now. So here in three dots, if we click here, you can see here if it's select all of our option will be selected like this. If now selected, we can compress them to zip file, pin to quick access. Here we can pin them all here, or we can copy the path. Here the path is home and select, it's already selected, and so from here we can deselect all. Now it's deselected all. So invert selection, do the same. Now it's unselected. If we press invert selection, so it select all like this. So here select all. So here at the left side, this is navigation pane. You can see here our desktop option, home option, and PC options. So this desktop option, if so it is right now is a part of our user account. So if every user account has a separate desktop and desktop options, which is included of downloads, documents, pictures, and musics. So also we can back up our documents of our users from here. To do that, so we can come here in a local disk C. From here you can go to users, and from users you can see this Dell user. If you click on it, you can see all its content like desktop, documents, downloads, and the other contents. From here we can just select them all like this, and then we can copy, or we can say just move from here, and we can store them inside any USB or another drive to make them a backup file. So from here you can see this arrow down button. Just click it and you will collapse all of them like this. And to expand them, right, just click on it. And from here in this PC, we can see our storage in a local disk. Just click on it. In this PC, just click on it, so you can see our storage. We have to drive in our computer, local disk, C and local disk D. You can see here our network, if our computer is connected to the network. So from here we can see our networks. Right now we don't have any network. Also from here we can expand our local disk D, and we can see all of our documents and our contents like this. And local disk C, you can see here. Suppose if I open this local disk C, here in this users, so here if I click here and show hidden items, you can see another item just appear here by the name of default. So from here I can hide it like this. If I click here in this public, and if I open, so I come back here. Here we have many hidden items that we cannot see right now. Just to see them, just come here, from here, and from hidden items. If you click here, so you can see many more files just appear here like this. To hide them, just go here and just press hide items. So here, suppose I want to open this university books. You can see different files here. Suppose if I select here, from here I can just cut it, and then I can copy, and other option is just I can rename from here, and from here I can share it with other users, and from here I can delete it. And this is a sort that I told you here. From here we can sort all of our documents here. Also we can do just by right clicking on it like this. Also we can do all of these options that are available here just by right clicking on any specific document. From here we can add a new folders and shortcuts or other options. Just click here and we can add all of this from this section, from new. Also, if we want to compress these files, just select some specific file here and right click on it, and then from here just select compress to zip file. Now you're seeing that it's compressing. Now it has compressed inside this folder. And from here you can send it to email or to another means, send to another person. To unzip it, just right click on it, extract all, select extract all, or you can just do from here extract all. From here select the location, and then press select extract, replace file description. Just select this replace, and then delete this extra file from here. So this is all from File Explorer. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, and I will answer you as soon as I get your comment. So see you in the next module. So practice it and you will learn it easily.